Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the Eye Comfort feature on Oppo phone. So if you swipe down the notification bar at the top, you can find this menu Eye Comfort, and I'm going to show you how to use it. Just long press the Eye Comfort, and then you can see that the Eye Comfort here can reduce blue light from the screen and prevents eye strain. Maybe you can use it at night, and also you can use it all the time. Just click on this, and then the Eye Comfort will always be on your phone, and you can see that the screen is changed into like yellowish. And if you want to turn it off, just click on this and it will go back to the as before. And if you want to set a certain time, schedule the time that you want to activate the Eye Comfort feature, just click on this, and then you can adjust the time, set the time. For example, I want to set it at the 10 p.m. and then end it at tomorrow at 7. So just like that. And also you can set the screen color temperature to from cool to warm, just like that. Just swipe this little circle here. Okay, you can also choose the display effects, color or black and white. Okay, so that is how you can use the Eye Comfort feature on Oppo phone. Maybe you can use it if you don't want to get eye strain from maybe having to look at your phone for maybe too long. Okay, I think that's it for me. I hope this video is helpful to you. Don't forget to click like, leave a comment, and also subscribe our channel for more contents. I'll see you on the next video. Bye bye.